Al-Malki, Ambassador of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to Pakistan, members and representatives of Red Crescent, NDMA, and other bodies, worthy signatories to all the numerous projects this afternoon, Excellencies, media friends, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. It gives me indeed a great pleasure to join our dear brothers from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to sign various agreements which you all witness now on reconstruction and rehabilitation projects being undertaken by the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center in Pakistan. On behalf of the people and the Govt of Pakistan, I extend my deep and sincere gratitude to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for its continued support and assistance to Pakistan as well as in difficult phases. These agreements which you all witnessed just now would serve as enduring testament to the time-tested and fraternal relations between our two great countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia share a unique bond and has no parallel. The love and affection and a sense of brotherhood shared by our people cannot be seen in other parts of the world. We cherish each other's successes as our common successes. We also share each other's pain and sorrow and have never shied away from extending our support to each other. Our history is replete with such examples of friendship and brotherhood. In recent times, Saudi Arabia has been a solid rock, helping us navigate difficult economic challenges. The Kingdom's support has been critical in enabling us to stand on our own feet. And the recent one is their support for the conclusion of IMF program, which has just been few days back concluded in Washington. In the same vein, extensive rehabilitation, recovery, and reconstruction activities following the catastrophe floods of 2022 is one such area where our brothers from Saudi Arabia led the way and extended enormous support to Pakistan. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, through case relief, the people and government of Kingdom channeled their love and generosity for their brethren in Pakistan. We remain ever grateful to them and will never forget their act of kindness and generosity towards their brethren in hour of need in our beloved country. Pakistan is a resilient nation despite facing serious natural calamities in recent years. We have risen back to our feet, alhamdulillah. This has been made possible by the resolve and determination of people of Pakistan and help and support of our very dear friends like Saudi Arabia and other brotherly countries from the international community. Ladies and gentlemen, as a country that is among the most at risk from climate change, you know we only emit less than 1% carbon emissions globally, and we are one of the most 7 vulnerable countries in the world. And Flash Floods 2022 speaks all. But Pakistan is fully aware of the challenges that lay ahead. The floods of 2022 showed the scale of climate change related threats that Pakistan could face in future as well. More than 33 million people were affected across the country with great loss of life and infrastructure, which amounted to 34 billion US dollars. And these all numbers were worked out by the UNDP, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, assisted by Planning Division of Pakistan. The support of the global community, Pakistan is seeking to build back even better infrastructure, what they call 4RF. We are focused on all the key areas, including mitigation and adaptation to become a more climate resilient country. This remains one of the top priority areas of our government led by Mia Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif as Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, when the story of Pakistan's recovery and reconstruction from these floods will be written, the contribution of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the chaos relief will be there in golden words. I have been told, and we have just witnessed, that chaos relief has implemented more than 200 projects worth over US dollar close to 200 million in the past. Kingdom support on establishing the National Logistics Hub and Humanitarian Response Facility is a critical part of this support. It would not only enhance our capability to swiftly address future calamities, but also augment our capacity to undertake recovery and rehabilitation efforts in the aftermath of natural disasters. Ladies and gentlemen, moreover, Kingdom's generous pledge to construct 1,000 houses units and 300 feeder schools across Pakistan and rehabilitating 22 previously implemented projects showcase the scale of ongoing humanitarian assistance which is being offered and being implemented, as witnessed by different signing of different agreements in our presence this afternoon. Is the huge humanitarian assistance which our brotherly country, Saudi Arabia, has been offering to Pakistan so far. These will not only merely be brick and mortar